Welcome to 60 Second Crypto. Today we're showing you how to mine Weycoin, WAE I think is the abbreviation. This is pretty much a meme coin. I don't think it has any real proof, but right now it's running on the Lyra 2v2 algorithm and you can make about as much money as Vertcoin. And it's already tradable on some exchanges. I wouldn't even bother downloading the wallet. I would just make a trade over account here because you can mine directly into the exchange. So once you create a trade over account, go ahead and sign in. There's the registration page. Head to your balances and then you'll see Weycoin somewhere. You can search for it. Click deposit and then go ahead and copy the deposit address created by TradeOgre for Weycoin. We're going to use this in your Suprminer CCminer script. I have separate videos on how to extract and install Suprminer, but for now you can open any of the CCminer scripts. If you've got only one device, make sure you delete everything after -D0. After -A, you're going to change whatever algorithm was written into Lyra 2v2, the Vertcoin algorithm. I've left a link to the Fat Panda pool in the description. As you can see, they've got a Stratum server builder over here on the left, so you copy that URL, and on the right they've got the two different ports. So replace everything after -A with your new Stratum link, and then write the associated Stratum port from the right, and then we're going to copy in the Weycoin address created on TradeOgre, write it to -U for your username. You can leave -P blank, it usually doesn't matter. Hit file, save as, name it whatever you want, but make sure you type .bat at the end of the name to make it a batch file. Open the folder you just closed and you'll see the batch file you just created. Click that, run it, and it should start mining Weycoin right away, and should only take a couple of minutes to get your first deposit right into the TradeOgre exchange because the coin's pretty valueless, but it does have a price right now, so you should be able to unload those as soon as you get them, and you could probably turn as much profit as Ethereum for some of the lower quality or less than 4 GB GPU.